So now that we've looked at lattice energies, let's describe another rule that's very important and very, very useful for predicting compounds, ionic or molecular compounds, but it is extraordinarily useful for molecular compounds. So that is the octet rule. And the octet rule says that atoms tend to have 8 electrons in their valence shell. Okay, so this is actually not a rule, more like a guideline. Okay, so the rule goes something like this, that atoms or ions, they tend to stop losing or gaining electrons once they attain a noble gas configuration. So this is why we were looking at the electron configuration for ions and we're able to use the periodic table to predict what type type of ionic compound will form from a particular atom. So sodium atoms, they have this electron configuration shown here. So if they lose this one 3s1 electron, all of a sudden now they have the electron configuration of neon. Remember, they are isoelectronic with neon, and so the this 8 electrons is allowing for a completely full valence shell. And this completely filled valence shell is very, very stable. It's actually the most stable electronic configuration that any species can have. So Octet rule says we want to have 8 electrons in the outermost or the valence shell. Now, I want you to hang on to this idea for just a little while. We've already looked at electron configurations for ionic species, but hang on to it when we go into covalent bonding, which will be our next topic.